Greetings, this is Miss Bagley, and I will be showing you how to access the online mathematics textbook. The first thing you want to do is log into Blackboard. This is done with your username, which is the student ID number, and the password which the teacher has given you. Click Log In, and we're going to scroll down to your grade level. I'm going to go to 3rd grade. So once you log into your Blackboard site, you will notice you have your toolbar on the left. We want to scroll and find the online math textbook. When you click this link, it takes you directly to another link for the online math textbook. When we click the book Envisions, it's going to open us up to Pearson, which is the company that we are using. At this point, we're going to enter our student ID number and the password which is given from your teacher. For Miss Bagley's class, the password is capital B, lowercase a g l e y, the number 03. Again, that's capital B, lowercase a g l e y 03. And just click Login. Once you click Login, you'll see two tools, Success Tracker and Envision Math. The Envision Math is the textbook that we are using. Also, if you scroll down, you may see some notes from the teacher. In this case, it says from my teacher, assignment 9/16/12. So we can click on here and see what the assignment says. And it says, please check the to-do list under your Envision Mathematics textbook. You will find your first assignment. After completing the assignment, click the I'm done button to submit. So you can print this if you want. You can delete the message. I would advise not deleting it, or just simply close it. When you close it, if you notice in Envision Math, it says to do. When I click on the to do, it takes me to another link that shows me my assignments. So I'm going to click on the first assignment, which is 01-00. And again, these assignments are listed in the order based on the topic that's being discussed. So when I click on Numeration Introduction, I see that there's a video I can view.
Do you know what the tiny little grooves on the side of a coin are called? They are called...
And you can adjust your sound. You can mute it.
This table shows how many
And you
reeds
can
there
also
are
click
on
the
different
CC
coins.
for closed caption.
There are 150 reeds on a $50.
So let's pause this. We also have the print partner. And this is where you can actually print off what's online here. This is an assignment that will probably be done in the math journal. It will be determined by the teacher, and more information will follow from that. And also review what you know. This is what's actually in the textbook. It's similar to what we're used to seeing in our hardback textbook, but it's just, again, in an online format. So we can just click our arrows and go through the various pages, and if we want to print, we can print here as well. If I click the textbook up top, which is the blue book right here, it takes me directly to my textbook. I can open my textbook, and I am in chapter 1. It says topic 1, so this is our first chapter. I can scroll to the next page. And again, you notice it's all in color. And I can also view various tests, going digital enrichment, which shows me different lessons. And under my content, I have my topics. If I click the glossary, there's an online glossary that will actually read to you. It's an interactive glossary, so students are able to look at the various words that are found in the book. If I click P for place value, which is what I'm looking for, because we're studying that, I can just click the mouse.
Place value. A group of 3 digits in a number separated by a comma.
And I hear the sound, and I also can read the definition as well. Also, a nice feature is I can click this onto Spanish.
Valor de posición. El valor que se da al lugar de un dígito en un número.
This is a great tool. It can go between English and Spanish. So let's close this window out, and we'll close here. And so after you've actually completed the first assignment or what assignments that are given, you click I'm done, and it will ask you, are you sure you want to turn this in? Because once you click OK, you cannot go back and take it back. We click OK, and you notice the first assignment has disappeared. If I click done, I see that the assignment has been completed, and I'm just waiting for it to be graded by the teacher. Go back to home, and we also have Success Tracker. And again, this is also bilingual, so it goes between the languages. If I click to do, I see I have no assignments here. So I'll go back home. And let's just look at the textbook. If we click Open Book, it takes us back to the textbook, which is what we saw earlier. So this is another way we can get through the textbook. A nice feature here is the E, which is our e-tools. When I click my e-tools, it takes me to tools that I can be using. There are manipulatives that I'll be using on the computer. And this is similar to what the students are using in the classroom. Again, I can have this in English, or I can have this also in Spanish. You want to make sure you have this animation going here. If you notice, you have 3 wheels turning. This is important to be able to use the tool. So let's just look at geometry shapes. And this just allows me to manipulate various shapes that I'm working with. If I need to erase, I just click the erase button. And that's a nice sound the students seem to like. So now we're back to our home page. Again, this is our online math textbook. It can be accessed through the Blackboard site, or you can use the link www.pearsonsuccessnet.com, and I will take you, and I'll show you where that takes you. To the home page where you use your username and password. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial on using the online math textbook. If you have any questions, feel free to contact your child's teacher. School number again is 703-329-2100. Thank you for enjoying. Have a great day.